Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day, and if you guys are new to this channel, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. So be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and let's get right into today's video topic. And in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your WhatsApp not showing your contact name. So basically what this problem is right now, there's empty screen, but if you use WhatsApp and chat with your friend, then all your friends chat and other thing is gonna be seen over here. So instead of your friend's username, it's gonna show your friend's number. So this is what this problem is gonna do. So if you have this kind of problem, then you can fix it easily. So to fix this problem, the first thing you can do is click on this three dot over here and go on setting, and on setting go on chats, and on chat click on chat history, and then click on delete all chat, and click on delete. Wait for some time, it's gonna delete all your chat. And after doing this, go back to setting again, and on setting click on account this time, and on account click on privacy, and over here as you guys can see status, go on status, and on status tick on my contact if it is ticked on the other option, and click on done, which is right below over here. And then after doing all this, you can just go back and then hold your WhatsApp icon by going out. Right over here, this is my WhatsApp icon. Just hold for some time until this thing pops up, and after this thing pops up, go to app info, and after going to app info, go to permissions, and on permissions turn on every permission over here. So some of the permission may be off on your phone, make sure to turn all of them on, and after turning all the permissions on, you just go back to WhatsApp and your problem should be fixed. And if it still doesn't fix it, the last option is to delete WhatsApp and reinstall it again. This should just reset all the setting on WhatsApp. So yeah, that's basically it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And if you guys have any questions related to this video, feel free to comment down below. We'll try to help you guys. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Bye bye and peace out.